Hi everybody, this is Anjan. I have just put together a soil moisture sensor. The code is here on my computer screen. I slowly scroll through the entire code. And here is my circuit. I have my soil moisture sensor over here. It's connected to a small circuit that came with the sensor, and through the breadboard it's connecting to my Arduino, and I also have LCD screen connected to my breadboard, which in a way connect to Arduino microcontroller, and it's connected to my computer. And right now the sensor is in the air, so the reading you see is almost 0%. Now I'm going to put sensor in water, which is 100% moisture. It's fully submerged, and you can see the reading is 100%. And I don't know what happens in between, so I need to do some calibration with the real soil moisture sensor, with the help of real soil moisture sensor, and that's something we will do on Monday. Okay, bye bye.